Now, good morning, all of una wey dey listen to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens Devotional on a daily message book with the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Thursday, 18th April 2024, and our topic today na your day. Our memory verse dey for Psalm chapter 90 verse 6. For morning dem dey grow and shine, but for evening dem go dry con die. Our Bible reading dey for Genesis chapter 1 verse 1 to 5, and e talk say when the world just start, na God create the heaven and the earth no get shape at all. E dey empty and darkness cover the water. But God's spirit dey waka on top the water. So God come say, make light come, and light come. God see say the light good, so he come separate the light from the darkness. God call the light day, and the darkness he call am night. And that evening and morning come make am the first day. Now the message. For Genesis chapter 1 verse 1 to 5, God call light day and he call darkness night. The two of them together give us first day. If you look am well so, you go see say na three parts day be. Morning afternoon evening all of them are day. For Psalm chapter 55 verse 17, David talks say, evening and morning and afternoon I go pray and I go cry well and God go hear my voice. Day na God take prove when they use to measure man time for this earth. Psalm chapter 90 verse 12 talks say, teach us make we know say we be ordinary human being, then our wisdom go dey grow more. Proverbs chapter 10 verse 27 come tell us say, although God fit make person life for this earth long pass as e dey before, but he still fit make am short too. Just as we see am for our memory verse today, morning time na time to grow up and na time for joy according to Psalm chapter 30 verse 5. If you dey grow up as pikin, you no go get any responsibilities. If pikin dem wake up for morning, dem dey always wan make their morning food don set for table, and how the food take reach there no concern dem. If you hear pikin dey laugh, you sef go join dey follow laugh, because their laughter na from inside their heart e come from. Afternoon na peak period, and na that time the sun dey bright pass. Job 11 chapter 17 talk about how age dey clear well pass afternoon. Afternoon na peak period of person life fit be o. Evening na when things no come dey clear again. That time sun wan comot for sky. For 1 Samuel chapter 4 verse 15, Bible talk about how Eli wey be 98 years old, when him eyes no come dey see again. Psalm 104 verse 23 talk say, man go work for morning and he go come back in house for evening. Your evening na time when you go dey round off your life. E dey important to know which part of your day you dey so you go fit act wisely and make the best out of am. If you no know, you fit dey try to achieve good result with wrong method. Na the reason why people wey fear God, dem dey always call dem wise, because even though dem old, dem get wisdom and dem go still fit do wetin strong people no fit do. E get time to use strength well and time to use the strength small but use wisdom pass. E get time to run and time to pass the baton. You need to recognize your times and seasons so you go fit make the best out of your life Wetin we suppose think for today message be say, which part of your day for this earth you dey now? I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.
Be thou still my strength and shield.